In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean baseboards without bending over or kneeling down using a product from the Dollar Tree or what you already have in your house. Shout out to Sherry, thank you so much for suggesting this tip. First things first, let's prep those baseboards. Dust off any loose debris using a long Swiffer duster. You can also use a vacuum or even a dry microfiber cloth tied to a broom. This step helps prevent dragging dirt around and makes the cleaning process way easier. See how dusty these baseboards are? Next, grab a bucket with water and add few drops of dish soap. Then wet the towel and wring it out. The goal is to use a damp cloth and not wet dripping because that will damage the baseboards over time. Now let's upgrade our baseboard cleaning tool. Wrap the damp microfiber towel around the broom, and here's the trick that will help you clean the baseboards fast and easy. Use these big clothespins or pegs to secure the towel to the broom. I got mine from the Dollar Tree, but you can find them on Amazon too. I'll link all the products I have used in the description box below.
If you're getting any value from this video, maybe hit that like button so the video may spread more people. Thank you for supporting my mom.
Okay, now it's time to clean your baseboards, and as you do so, make sure the clothespins are not touching the walls to avoid any scratches. Now run them up along the length of your baseboards, cleaning from top to bottom and paying attention to any tight spots. The microfiber cloth will pick up any dirt or grime, leaving your baseboards sparkling clean. And here's the beauty of this DIY baseboard cleaning tool. When the towel gets dirt, you simply remove the clothespins and rinse the towel and continue cleaning like nothing happened. So convenient, right? You can see the difference already. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Check out the video I suggest next for more valuable content and share the video with people in your life. Take care of yourself, my friend, because you're special. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.